Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your PlayStation Network account to access online gaming and the PlayStation Store, follow these straightforward steps for successful verification. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation console or access the PlayStation website on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. If creating a new account, select Create Account and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and provide personal information. Step 3. During registration, you'll be asked to provide your date of birth and create a unique online ID for your PSN account. Step 4. After completing the registration, PlayStation will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from PlayStation. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your PlayStation Network email address," or similar. Step 6. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the PlayStation website and automatically verify your email address. Step 7. If you're setting up on a console, you may be prompted to verify your account through the console interface. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 8. For enhanced security, set up two-step verification in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of protection to your PSN account. Step 9. Once verified, you can access the PlayStation Store, play online multiplayer games, and utilize all PSN features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.